Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Time with Sagar Raya. Today I will explain advanced formula of trigonometry under the heading compound angles. Before starting this video, I would like to thanks all the people who had already subscribed my channel. At the same time, if you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you would not miss my upcoming videos. Now without any delay, let's start our topic. So compound angles, under compound angles I have just written some of the headings here. So formula for sine a plus b is sine a dot cos b plus cos a dot sine b. Similarly, sine a minus b is exactly the same formula of sine a plus b, but instead of plus here you have to just write down here minus. So sine a dot cos b minus cos a dot sine b. So if you remember this formula, you can definitely remember this formula also. So here is the only difference of plus and minus. So here also plus. If here is plus, here also write down plus. If here is minus, here also write down minus. Similarly, cos a plus b formula is cos a dot cos b minus sin a dot sin b. So in case of cos, if there is plus, you have to write down here minus, and here cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And cos a minus b, exactly the same formula like the formula of cos a plus b, but instead of minus here we have to write down here plus. So cos a dot cos b plus sin a dot sin b. So if you know this formula, you can definitely remember this formula also. Now tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a dot tan b. So if there is plus, here at the above there will be plus. And similarly, if there is tan a minus b, so tan a minus b, you can write tan a minus tan b. So 1 whole divided by 1 plus tan a dot tan b. So if there is plus, here is minus. If there is minus here, then you have to write down plus. Similarly, cot a plus b equal to cot a dot cot b minus 1 whole divided by cot a plus cot b. And similarly, if the formula of cot a minus b is cot a dot cot b plus 1 whole divided by cot b minus cot a. So we have to remember, if there is cot a minus b, the denominator will be cot b minus cot a. So this thing you have to remember and keep it in your mind. Similarly, if sine, the formula for sine a plus b dot sine a minus b is sine square a minus sine square b, and another formula is square b minus cos square a. Sine square a minus sine square b and cos square b minus cos square a. Similarly, the formula for cos a plus b dot cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b, and another formula is cos square b minus sin square a. At the same time, you must understand some of the relation in trigonometry. If a by b is equal to c by d, then b by a is also equal to d by c, and this relation is known as invertendo. Similarly, if a by b is equal to c by d, then A by C is equal to B by D, and this relation is known as alterando. Sorry, ALTERNENDO. If A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D, and this relation is known as componendo. And then similarly, if A by B is equal to C by D, then A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D, and this relation is known as dividendo. And then last one, if A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B whole divided by A minus B equal to C plus D whole divided by C minus D, and this relation is known as componendo and dividendo. Similarly, there are some more formula relating to multiple angles and submultiple angles. Now I am going to write the formula of multiple angles also and submultiple angles also, and explain you trick how to memorize this formula. So formula for sine 2a equals to 2 sine a dot cos a. Since here is sine 2a, so I have written 2 sine a dot cos a. It means if there is 2a, we just write here a, and here also a. But if there is only a, then it should be half of. So half of 2a is a. So half of a is a by 2. So here I am going to write 2 sine a by 2 dot cos a by 2. Similarly, we have got another formula of sine 2a, which is 2 tan a whole divided by 1 plus tan square a. So here also we can write this formula 2 tan, so half of 2a is a, so half of a is a by 2, so 2 tan a by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Similarly, formula for cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. So here cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Similarly, we have got another formula also, so we can derive two more formula from here. So 1 minus 2 sin square a, and here 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Here 2 cos square a minus 1, and here will be 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. And similarly, we have got one more formula relating to tan. So 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So here we can write 1 minus tan square a by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Similarly, tan 2a equals to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, and here tan a, so 2 tan, instead of a we have to write a by 2, and here 1 minus tan square a by 2. Similarly, cot 2a equal to cot square a minus 1 whole divided by 2 cot a. and here cot square a by 2 minus 1 whole divided by 2 cot a by 2. Now sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So you can derive one more formula from here. So formula for 4 sin cube a equals to 3 sin a minus sin 3a. So here also 3 sin. So here you have to remember, instead of 3a we are writing here a. So 3 times of a by 3 is a. So 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. Similarly, I can derive one more formula from here. So 4 sin cube a by 3, 4 sin cube a by 3 equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus sin a. So if you bring this minus 4 sin cube a here to the left side, so here remains 3 sin a as it is, and this sin 3a when it comes to right hand side becomes minus sin 3a. Similarly, now cos 3a equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. We can derive one more formula from here. So 4 cos cube a equals to cos 3a plus 3 cos a. And here also, instead of cos a we can write here 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. And instead of 4 cos cube a by 3 we can write here cos a plus 3 cos a by 3. So these formula are very important, and without this formula it is very difficult to prove to solve the questions of trigonometry. It is very difficult to prove. So memorize this formula and apply some tricks so that you can easily memorize. And if you like my video, please do subscribe, share it with your friends. Please subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. See you soon with more educational videos. Thank you.